Yeah, people, you don't know it's your boy Gryzzly Beer, beer vibes, beer fun, beer things, most people, beer facts, people, beer trucks, and we're representing for Reggae Vibes Media. Condolences go to Aidonia, you know what I mean? Big bad artist, and also your wife Kimberly Morgan, you see it? Yeah, man, for the passing of them son, you see me, I say 10-year-old, you see me, I say, who they suffer from cancer. So you don't know the artist Aidonia, is a, you know? An artist, someone that say no, controversial artist where put music out there. You see me, I say, look, you see me, I say, you know what I mean? NEC, you see me, I say, you know what I mean? Cranberry. You know them way there? Yeah. Condolences, my artist. You see me, I say, just go and hold it. There's no word where a man can say in a time like this. You see me, I say, for make a one smile or feel hopeful, because when I really check it out, all if you have 4, 5, 6 youth, you see me, I say, yeah, it's their only child, you know, them only youth, 10-year-old, you see me, I say, them only son. So we know that some they go, you know what I mean, 1 week from now, looking around and not seeing them youth. You see me, I say, you know what I mean, they call two mistake, call him name never. You see me, I say, you know them way there? Yeah, so, my artists were there, give strength, we there, you see me, I say, yeah, beer things are going on the earth, you know, man. From that something they fall around there, you see me? Big things are going on the earth. So people send some love, condolences. You see me, I say, share some strength for the artist in a time of bereavement. You see me? Yeah, man, you hear it right as a Reggae Vibes Media. Right as you hear it. So just share so the people them can send back for some good energy over there for the artist. You see me? Condolences. Did it down, yeah?